Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting the case and earbuds, lay a soft cloth, and work in good light. Use a small flat pry tool at the seam where the lid meets the housing and apply gentle, consistent pressure to avoid cracking plastic. Once done, rotate the tool along the seam to loosen clips. Make sure to keep the case closed to prevent springs or components from popping out. This first release exposes internal screws or clips while minimizing damage to painted surfaces. After the lid is loose, remove any visible screws and place them ordered by size. Organization prevents reassembly errors. Use a plastic spudger to separate internal clips and gently lift the PCB just enough to access ribbon cables. Once accessible, use tweezers to flip the connector latch and slide ribbons out. This prevents tearing. Make sure to note connector orientation and routing because correct reattachment restores charging and controls. If you encounter resistance, stop and reevaluate clip points. For final disassembly, remove the battery only after all connectors are free. Pry its adhesive with a thin plastic strip while pulling slowly to avoid stretching wires. Once components are free, test the battery and electronics externally before full reassembly to confirm functionality. To reassemble, reverse the steps. Reconnect ribbons, secure screws, and snap the lid back in. If clips or adhesives resist, apply gentle low heat to soften glue. And if uncertainty remains,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.